Hello and welcome to Thruline. I'm Nick, and today we're diving into our powerful parts module. Whether you're managing an extensive inventory or tracking specific components, our parts module is designed to streamline your processes and keep everything organized. In this video, I'll guide you through the key features of the parts module. We'll explore how to add new parts, manually update inventory, our lot and serial number functionality, and more. So let's head over to our parts module. You can do that with this left-hand menu. If you click parts, which I'm actually already currently on, you'll be able to see a list of already created parts. To add a new one, click the green new part button on the upper right-hand side, and you'll be sent to a blank form with fields to fill in. Here, if you see fields that you don't need or one that you need but that's not currently here, I'll show you in a future video on how you can edit this so it can be exactly tailored to how you want it to be. Once you're done adding in information, and the fields right now are part number, details, photo, default unit of measure, status, version, manufacturer's part number, and identifier, you can hit save. Really quick note is that the identifier is going to be our lot and serial number functionality. These are unique identifiers for parts, and the difference between them is that serial numbers are identifiers for individual items, and lot numbers are identifiers for batches of items. You have the option to select none, serial number, or lot number, and this will affect how the inventory is managed, which I'll show you in just a second. If you have any questions about setting up this functionality, please reach out to our team and we can help you get this set up. Once you're done adding in the info, come up here and hit save. And once that is done, if you see, you'll see at the bottom of the page now, there's going to be a number of tabs. These are called related lists, and these pull from other information within Thruline. I'll show you how this works in just a minute, but first I want to demonstrate how you can modify inventory. So if we come back up here and then click this down arrow, you'll be able to select the option to add or remove inventory quantity. Selecting that, you can choose whether you want to add or remove. The part should be automatically selected. You can select the location you want this inventory to update in, as well as the quantity. Once you're done, make sure to hit save. And if I go back to the part that we just added inventory for, you'll now be able to see in this inventory location tab that there is a quantity of 5 in the main warehouse. This is one way that you're able to modify inventory quantities. In a future video, I'll show you how you can add inventory through purchase orders, as well as consume inventory to produce products through manufacturing orders. Next, let's head over to our bill of materials, otherwise known as a BOM. A BOM is a comprehensive list of materials, components, parts, and assemblies that are required to manufacture or assemble a product. It's often referred to as the recipe for creating a product and serves as the essential document in manufacturing engineering, and production processes. Hit the new bill of materials button and select the part you want to create the BOM for. So you can also select the type. Right now we have an engineering or manufacturing types. Once you hit save, you'll be able to see a related list where you can add in the parts required for the BOM. So these BOM lines are going to be all of the parts as well as their quantities that you need to build the BOM part. So add in all of the parts that you need and hit submit. These BOMs are going to be able to be used in procedures and manufacturing orders, which I'll cover in a future video. Next, I want to show you how you can add in vendors and vendor parts. If you head over to the vendors tab, you can create a new vendor here, and this will send you to a blank form. Feel free to add in any relevant information and hit save. Once you hit save, you'll be able to see a related list where you can add in parts that this vendor sells, otherwise known as vendor parts. Here you can select the part. You can add in a vendor part number, which is going to be any numbering system that the vendor might use to manage their parts, as well as the cost and unit of measure. Now, if I head back to the parts and go to the part that I previously created and just created a vendor part number for, you can see that it is now listed under vendors. under inventory location, and under bill of materials. This concludes our first video and introduction to the Thruline parts module, and we hope that it helps you get started on making your parts management more efficient and organized. Please stay tuned for more videos where we'll dive into other powerful features of Thruline. But in the meanwhile, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Thruline journey.